What a year has it been for cryptocurrencies? The market has been so volatile that choosing a cryptocurrency or blockchain to invest in can be a bit tricky. After all, we want to maximize our earnings, and we can only do that if we can be sure about the projects that we invest in. Studying what blockchain to invest in can take a lot of time, but if you lend us 8 minutes of your time, you'll be more knowledgeable about Tron and why we think it is a good investment. Stick around to find out. Hello people of the internet, and you are watching another video from Crypto Cash Out, where we bring you videos that talk about everything under the cryptocurrency space. Although we are going to share a lot of positive things about the subject, remember that this video is not made by professional financial advisors, which means do not take anything we say out of context and do investing on your own. It is always good to do additional research after watching this video, as we are not giving financial advice in this video. The video is made solely for the purpose of sharing information. With that being said, let us head on to the video now. Tron has been getting a lot of attention recently because of how things have been looking for them. If you pay attention to their graphs, you can see that they are not really doing that bad. People have been talking about them and their future because of the possibilities to earn passively in the platform while having a coin that is looking bright in the future. But before we talk about any of that, it would be important for us to know more about the platform and the company behind it in order to know why that is the case. In its most basic definition and function, Tron is a decentralized platform and internet campaigner that can provide entertainment and finance-related services while being based in the blockchain. It has a similar function to Ethereum, which means that the network is able to provide entertainment while you can do your financing at the same time. But unlike other blockchains, Tron is straight to the point and does not confuse you with a strange user interface. Tron has the goal to decentralize the internet using the smart contracts in their platform to allow developers to create D-apps or decentralized applications. In addition to easy utility, the network can also be used in daily life. For example, you want to use a bike, then head onto the network and rent bikes on O-Bike, or tip other people using Paiwo. You can even play games on the network, so if ever you're bored in Tron and have nothing to do, then there's your answer. That is what makes Tron great, is because it does not only function as a crypto, but you can use it in multiple ways too. And the more Tron token is used, the better they will be in the future. So yes, Tron the platform is great because they give a lot of utility to their users. But what about their coin? It is called Tron Coin, or TRX for short. If we look at CoinMarketCap, TRX is currently sitting at a price of $0.064. It also has a circulating supply of over 92.3 billion coins. This amount equates to a market cap of $5,947,922,887. That is really impressive. Usually you see cryptos with market caps that reach billions, but Tron is only of a few that has reached 5 billion. It is even close to 6 billion. With that being said, is Tron TRX a good investment? Well, for that we must look at price predictions. We already talked about the token earlier and how it is sitting at a price of $0.064 at the time of writing. Well, if we look at the price predictions, we can see that a lot of forecasts are really bullish on the token. Let us see, shall we? Let us take a look at a website that is called bitcoinwisdom.com. The website is great because their predictions actually update in real time. As you scroll through the website, you can see the change in future price. Anyway, they expect the token to average around $0.09 for the rest of the year 2022. This is a significant increase that will dictate the future. Anyway, the coin will continue to grow and eventually reach an average price of $0.14 by next year. In 2025, the website predicts that the coin will average $0.27. This is growth that we love to see. Next up, we have a forecast from Trading Beast. According to them, the TRX coin is expected to reach a price averaging $0.086 at the end of the year, but it can go as high as $0.11. Let us jump right to 2025, and we can see here that they predict the coin to average $0.099 mid-year. Again, this is during the mid-year. By the end of the year, they expect the coin to reach $0.10, but it can go as high as $0.13. For trading these, they are a bit conservative with their prediction, but hey, there is still growth visible from their forecast. With that knowledge in mind, is it safe to say that Tron TRX is a safe investment? No, not only that. Is it a good investment? Well, according to the forecast, it is a good investment as it is showing growth for the future. It is a good investment plan for the long term as they can be bullish and they have shown that before. Not only that, because TRX is also very useful in the platform as well, and we will talk about that right now. Let's now examine what other uses the TRX tokens can do. The TRX coin is a store of value that can be used to purchase other cryptocurrencies or traded for them. Users routinely create and interact with the apps on the Tron network using TRX. To obtain power, bandwidth, and energy, you can lock away some of your TRX tokens. You are more likely to advance in rank and get voting privileges on the Tron blockchain network if you have more Tron power for a longer length of time. Having a lot of Tron power is a privilege, especially in the long run when voting comes and you really want a feature to be on the platform. Tron smart contracts and asset transfers consume energy and bandwidth in the meanwhile. So, what other benefits does Tron have to offer? Well, we have one that is guaranteed to pique people's interest. It offers free network transactions. This means that you can have zero transaction fees that you can do, and it is updated every 24 hours as a start. That's true. There won't be any higher transaction costs that reduce your profits. As you may know already, high gas fees are an unpleasant experience in the modern crypto world. People want to continue doing crypto without having to sacrifice a little bit. This can also equate to quick transaction times. Users can benefit from up to 2,000 quick and cost-free transactions each second with Tron. Nevertheless, this is a significant accomplishment compared to the 25 transactions per second of Ethereum and the 3 to 6 transactions per second of Bitcoin. Now you see how great it is. Also, if you're a developer in the Tron blockchain, there is a quick and easy way to earn money, especially if the community loves the applications you create. Remember that the system in Tron allows users like you and me to create applications and even platforms wherein they can create their own token to be used in that platform. In the works today is a system where developers of the apps can be incentivized. For example, if you create games, the players can reward the creators by giving them the TRX token as a tip. This is really great because it ensures that hard work is ensured to be paid. Not only are the content creators being supported by people like you and me, but even Tron, the network developers, are also showing support to them as well. This means that they are really appreciating the creators on this platform, and you'll be in good hands here. As creators, you will be rewarded directly by the network, and there will be no third-party platforms to worry about, which is really great. Let's talk more about a feature that is somewhat connected to TRX. We are, of course, talking about the USDD coin. The USDD algorithmic stablecoin, whose value is intended to be pegged to the US dollar at a 1-to-1 ratio, was introduced by the Tron network on May 5. Similar to the UST Luna algorithm, USDD uses the arbitrage opportunities between TRX and USDD to keep its peg. Users and arbitrageurs can send 1 USDD to the system and receive 1 USD worth of TRX when the price of USDD is less than 1 USD. Users and arbitrageurs can send 1 USD worth of TRX to the decentralized system and receive 1 USDD when the price of USDD is higher than 1 USD. Overall, there are plenty of signs that show TRX being a good investment. We have a lot of uses for the coin, not only in the platform but outside the system as well. The platform also offers the apps where users are not the only ones benefiting but the developers as well. They also have lots of partners that will help them fund their development. The future of the TRX token is bright, and it looks like it is a good investment. Hey, congrats on making it this far in the video. We really appreciate you watching until the end. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like the video as it really helps us a ton and inspires us to make more content like this. You can also support the channel by subscribing, so if you haven't already, please do so. Comment down below your thoughts on Tron blockchain and if you're interested in it for a chance at a shoutout giveaway. We also have an awesome video about VVS Finance, so go check it out. See you in the next video. Have fun cashing out.